I'm outside the Algonquin Hotel. Today is Matilda's big day, her debutante ball. The Algonquin Hotel on West 44th Street has had a resident feline since the 1930s. Legend has it that one cold and rainy night, a wet and hungry orange tabby wandered into the hotel. Frank Case, the hotel's owner, took pity on the bedraggled feline and gave it some milk in a champagne glass. He decided that the cat should become a permanent guest and named him Rusty because of his colouring. Actor John Barrymore, who was playing Hamlet on Broadway at the time and who was a friend of Frank Case, felt the feline needed a more dignified name and changed it to Hamlet. So a tradition was born. All the males have been named Hamlet in deference to Barrymore, and all the females have been called Matilda. This debutante is Matilda the Third. The street has been cordoned off already for North Shore Animal League to arrive, and Matilda is ready and waiting, so let's go inside and see what's happening. This is the famous oak room behind me here, and this is where Matilda is later going to be presented to New York society. The creme de la creme of New York. The Mudals will start arriving this afternoon, and they will set up the green room over there in the oak room, and we are going to have lots of people, lots of food, and the focus, of course, is going to be Matilda. This is the cat of the hour. Meet Ms. Matilda with her CCO, Chief Cat Officer, Alice D'Almeida. Alice, this has been the nerve center of the event, right? This is where everything has been taking place?
Absolutely.
And we have a very special event today. Lots of people, lots of raffles.
We do.
She's purring. I don't know if you can hear on the camera, but she is purring. Are you getting ready for your close-up? People have been extremely generous and donated wonderful toys, pet fountains, beds, food. We have lots of wonderful raffle bags here, which we're going to, of course, take downstairs shortly and set out, and all the money earned on all the The green room at today's event is genuinely going to be green. Thanks to Purr and Simple Cat Litter, they have sponsored all the litter for the Mudals taking part in today's event. Hi, good evening everybody. As you can imagine, I was beyond thrilled when Alice asked me to present Matilda at her debutante's ball, her coming out party, if you will. So without further ado, I'd like to formally introduce Miss Matilda the Third. Miss Matilda.
That has extremely short legs and possesses a round